This is a 5 to 12 millimeter mesh welding machine for making BRC mesh. This is the 90 multi-force energy-saving air cylinder. It's made by SMC brand from Japan. This is the original making from Japan, made in Japan. For this kind of air cylinder, the advantage is it can saving the power and the welding points will be more firm. It can use to weld 5 to 12 millimeter wear, and at the 12 millimeter wear, it will be better than the mechanical type machine. The air cylinder connected with the copper arm. This is a European design to transfer the electricity better. The line wire is sending by the servo motor and the air cylinder. The air cylinder is SMC brand for tighten the wire to hold the wire sending into a machine. And this is the Panasonic servo motor for sending the wire into machine. And when you are operating, finish the line wire sending, you can press the button, it will sending into the machine automatically. And this is the Eagles brand cable carrier. It will protect the air pipe and the wire cables inside to make it use longer. This is the crosswire feeder. It will transfer by the Panasonic servo motor. The wire volume will be controlled by the sensor switch. It is SMC brand. The cross feeder is made by stainless steel, and when the wire falling, it will not affect by the contract between steel and steel, so the machine can work faster. This is the mesh pulling system. The mesh pulling system is controlled by the Panasonic servo motor made by Japan. It will push the wire more accurate, and this is the hook to pull the wires. This is SMC air cylinder control, and the hook is all European design. It's also stainless steel. This is the control box of our machine. Here is the touch screen. You can setting the parameters on here and the convenient buttons. We use many famous brands in our control box, such as the Delta power supply and Panasonic servo PLC and Panasonic servo motor. 3 servo motor for control different parts. And we use the ABB and Schneider air switch and Schneider contactor. All the good brand will promise our machine work faster and stable.